My country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Ruthie and Wanni fight don't cause mixed reaction online as fans don't come out to come support Ruthie over the things wey be say she talk against the ejima. And also, same Ruthie don't come out to come reveal the stolen necklace wey be say dey inside Chinwe bag and how the thing they enter there. As we all know, a few days ago, Chinwe see her necklace for inside Nelly bag, and the narrative wey be say fans carry online na the fact say Nelly she be thief. She thief the thing, come hide them. Even as the girl they try to explain say, I don't know how that thing enter inside my bag and all of that too. Fans not agree hear that one. They call her thief already. So e come turn out say hours ago, Ruthie come out to come explain the thing. As we all know, Ruthie dey up for eviction, and from the look of things, she's definitely going to go home today if brother follow the custodian challenge rules. The girl come out to come explain herself in case Ebuka try to expose her. According to her, she says she see the necklace for ground. She can't think say na Nelly, and she can't carry put for inside Nelly bag. But the thing wey be say they surprise me and fans now the fact to say you did there when be say they point finger at Nelly since, and you not come out to come talk. Just because you know to say they go house today where we say be eviction Sunday, you can't come out to call reveal the thing because Ebuka go open your nyash. The thing what I notice about Ruthie na a very strong gamer, but Big Brother Naija fans not gonna allow the girl dey for that house. See the way she instigate fight between Nelly and Chinwe. Go one corner, go sit down. They do the one wey say she did. You tell you say that girl, she know what she did do. She really, her eye really dey for ground. Onto her basketballs what happened between Wanni and Handi with Ruthie. Ben now start the story. Ben come from upstairs when they come downstairs, come tell Wanni and Handi say Ruthie they gossip about them for upstairs. We say Wanni and Handi don't they threaten Ruthie since with the custodian challenge where we say they win. As we all know, the custodian holder get the power to save one person, while the rest of the house they go vote out the person where we say they not like. And Wanni and Handi don't talk before to say if Big Brother give them opportunity to evict person, they go evict certain people, and we know to say the number one person they go evict na Ruthie because they get fight earlier this week, rather earlier last week. So it can't be as if the threat where we say they threatening Ruthie since the thing don't choke the girl. They don't poke the girl ever since they win the custodian challenge, and the thing just diverse Ruthie. She done the endurance since last week where we say they insult Ruthie, where we say they call her Ruthie. Everybody online they laugh. So today where we say Ruthie, a few hours ago where Ruthie can't give them back the dose of their own medicine, their fans can't they cry. So the things where we say Ruthie tell them, according to Ruthie, she say she and the Wanni and the Handi twins say they have a mutual friend outside the house, and that mutual friend don't tell her a lot of things about those girls. According to her, she said those girls they be strong low show, see that they do use DJ, they cover their prostitution where they say they do. So a fan don't finally help us write out the things where we say Ruthie tell Wanni and her sister. So the first person here, so the thing where the person talk, he say things Ruth said during the fight too. So the first one, he say me and my sister don't sleep with the same guy for money. According to Ruth they claim to say Wanni and Handi they sleep with the same guy because of money. As we all know, since Wanni they date Sean, and it just be as if Handi they follow them. I know they say that they date together, but with the see two of them they always date together with Sean. So I make Ruthie they insinuate say something like that. So another time she talks say, do you know how many degrees I have? Which means Ruthie they exposed and she don't travel at way and she don't get so many degrees. Because he can say go and buy a cologne you smell. People will be say right from time fans safe. They don't they call the twins say they did dirty, they look dirty, they not look neat for eye. Another one comes the other time she talk, she say you with Sean for herself, but he's busy saying bad things about you in the house. The truth be say, he gets certain comments where be say Sean don't make for inside Big Brother house, where be say don't piss fans off, because according to them, if you date person, you get some kind of things where be say you're not supposed to talk. I don't want to go into that aspect. On that thing where be say Ruthie talk, she say you all have been provoking me. I want you all to evict me tomorrow. She say since Wanni and Handi win that custodian, they don't really they poke the girl since. The girl never really get peace for the house. Even online, fans don't they laugh and say this one she go on Sunday since the people wey say she gets squabble with na the night win custodian. Another thing wey say she talk, she say you sleep with men to get gigs outside Nigeria, e.g. Congo. I go to Congo to feed the needy. And Handy they be DJ. So according to Ruthie, she they claim to say two of them they do all show work to get people where say go call them say Mona come DJ for this party and all of that. On that web say she talk, she said, do you know how many people I feed? Which means maybe she's a philanthropy, or maybe she be person where be say get charity organization, maybe say she dey help the needy or something like that. Another one where say she talk, she said we are not here for the same reason. Did you see my house? The way Ruthie they talk, and from the pictures where I don't see of her and her daughter, you gonna say Ruthie not really poor. And I always tell on this center say most of us people that people wey say they come for inside people house, they're not they poor. Another time she talks, she said the men you sleeping with, they don't give you enough money because you can't even buy a cologne, you shimmer. Another one she talks, she said you come to me telling me I'm in your black book. One thing I not support about what Ruthie do now, the fact say she slut shame these girls. You know good. I know to say WannixHandi they are gra too much and their fan base they very ras. They are always attacking people online. That's why people just dislike the girls. Not be say those girls do anything, no. Maybe say people dislike them. Now just the fan base. The fan base to attack people. That's why that's so much hate just there on that particular twins. For the fact say WannixHandi they purposely they poke the girl, I just believe to say una win custodian, una supposed do una thing underground. Even if una won't evict her, not be something where una go they tell her. Una learn from other people where say don't win the custodian challenge before. If you not like person or you get the opportunity to evict person, no need to make her known. Just do your thing underground. Make the person carry while they go house. Out to boast about it all the time, it makes no sense to me. So make we see how fans react after Ruthie give the twins WannixHandi better woto. So the first person here say she finished them and I am glad. Them know they fight who hold gist. I'm not sure say WannixHandi even know to say Ruthie know certain things about them. So if not, they for trade carefully, because if you notice when she they say all those things about them, they really they quiet. People will be saying no, they even agree before, all of a sudden they shut up. One say, oh, Ruthie, that's mean. Do it again. Couple laughing emoji. Another one say, they deserve everything Ruthie said to them. The next one say, that Sean excuse was too lame. According to WannixHandi, they say now Sean United, they say they not respond to Ruthie. That's a big lie. WannixHandi, where we say we know, where we their babati, where we say they do for inside the house. If they had something to say to counter what she says, she for therefore do one. That one say, Ruthie single-handedly brutalized the twins. The yabs go full 40 leaves. One thing about Big Brother Naija should be say if fans or housemates create a narrative about you and you not counter them immediately, go they stick with you. Look at Messi Ekena, now Olosho that they call her Erica, Olosho, Tasha, na Smelo. Those things don't they stick with them all this while. Now when we say they don't call these girls 30k twins, now what is the trend online 30k twins? It's very terrible. For me, I believe to say WannixHandi suppose counter Ruth immediately she made such statements. She don't warn us before to say she be taking time bomb. Everybody thinks say the girl the joke. I believe to say Ruthie don't gain a lot of fans for this thing. Maybe say she do. I didn't mean she can't do this drama a few days ago when we say voting still they go on. I sure say she forget a lot of vote, because the vote when we say they pull for Twitter yesterday night, now Ruthie and I lead for that vote. To be honest, we be Naija fans, they even prefer Basbos than to ship safe for the show. We say either the twins handler do something about this narrative, or that particular 30k of a thing where we say they don't stop on their name, go forever did there. Una take care, una bye.